the Santa Clara River that runs through our client's property here, and you can see that there is some water. We were debating about the source of this water earlier, as you can see it in spots along the riverbank. This area of the river in particular, you can tell, has really eroded the bank out quite a bit, and as we get into the upland area of the property, has a tendency to take away land that could be used for, in this case, a campsite, but in general, takes away from improved land.